There's been decades of deception with regard to how Israel is reported to the American people. Look at what ABC admitted at one point. History, sensitivity, and politics make talk of Israel and its supporters different and a lot more complicated. So it's nice to see that even someone that says that they support Israel, and by the way, I don't, but this person does, they do a good job debunking the conspiracy theories. And even though they support Israel, I want to thank them for embedding my video, one of my most important videos, on their site. This panel sits there the entire time not talking about the terrorist motives. This is another example of the shameful and dangerous suppression of the key motive the terrorists had for the 9/11 attacks: U.S. support for Israel. It's constant, the problem with how the media reports Israel. Oh, and it's not just U.S. media. Check out this website, Media Lens. It's sort of like a British version of fairness and accuracy in reporting. And just look at the games that these BBC executives resort to avoid coming clean about what they've been doing with as far as how they misreport what Israel's about.